Substances, mixtures, homogeneous mixtures, and heterogeneous mixtures by Blake Olson. A substance is defined as matter that has a specific composition and specific properties. A mixture is a combination of substances, and a homogeneous mixture is a mixture that has a uniform composition and properties throughout. The substances in the homogeneous mixture are not physically separate. On the other hand, in a heterogeneous mixture, the mixture is made out of different substances that remain physically separate from each other. Here's a video outlining the different examples of the.
Now, an example of a pure substance would be water, or H2O. A pure substance is made up of either an element or a compound. Water is a compound, and it has a uniform composition throughout the entire liquid, making it a substance. An example of a homogeneous mixture would be a glass of orange juice. A glass of orange juice is made up of several chemical substances, and when all the substances combine together, they make this glass of orange juice, which has the same composition throughout the entire liquid, making it a homogeneous mixture. Now, an example of a heterogeneous mixture would be this glass of cereal. In a heterogeneous mixture, the parts of the mixture are separate, physically separate from one another, as the mini wheat and Cheerios are. They do not have a single composition throughout the entire thing. They're two different parts. That's all.
Yeah, so that was just some examples of the different mixtures there. And the substances. So here's some practice problems. Which of the four is a pure substance? Either orange juice, a bowl of cereal with milk, tin, or mouthwash? Well, the answer is C, because tin is an element, and all elements are pure substances. The first and last ones are homogeneous mixtures, while the second is a heterogeneous mixture. In the second practice problem here, which of the five is a homogeneous mixture? Water, a mixture of sand and sugar, silver, a glass of iced tea, or blood? Well, hopefully from what you've learned here today, you can figure out that the answer to this question is actually A, water. If you can't figure that out, maybe go back through the video and try to figure out what you might have missed. But that's all for substances, mixtures, homogeneous mixtures, and heterogeneous mixtures.